Hello and welcome back. Let's learn today how to make different patterns using just one stitch. This is regular double crochet stitch when you're placing a hook under two loops, which will be front and back loop. If you know that stitch, you can make many different stitches, just placing the hook different way. And let me show you that today. So let's make back post only double crochet. Instead of going through both loops, we will place the hook only in the back loop. No longer two loops on a hook, just one. And you just do regular double crochet. So how you're making crochet stitch does not change. What changes is the placement of the hook. And as you can see, your stitches look a little bit different in each row around. And you can incorporate this design in any projects. Now let's make another stitch, which will be double crochet front post. So instead of going between loops, you will go under your post of the previous stitch, and you just make regular double crochet. This stitch is reversible, and by working front post in the back, you're actually making back posts on the wrong side. So that's the front post, and the wrong side you can see the back post. So now let's make back post. So the front post will be on the wrong side. So you placing your hook instead of a front of the post, you going in the back and pulling that post to the back and just making regular double crochet. And how I say, this stitch looks kind of reversible. This is back post, this is front post. Another way to make this stitch will be working in between loops. In order to do that, you have to be on the wrong side, so your design will look nice on the right side. So you're making regular double crochet, but you're placing your hook in between two stitches. So you will yarn over and you put your hook first like you normally would do regular, and you go to the next stitch, and by making that stitch in between your loops on the right side of your project, you will see nice ridge, and it's a little bit raised up. And lastly, let me show you one more placement, which will be in the back bump. So this is regular, this is the back loop, and we are going to make a stitch in the back bump. I use this stitch often because I like how I have nice chain stitch design, and then it's not raised up too much as like front post or back post. It's more flat. But let me know if you try any of these and if this video was helpful. Happy crocheting. See you next time.